Hello everyone and welcome to your 9-1 lesson on polygons and the coordinate plane. So let's review our learning target. Today we're going to be able to use the coordinate plane to analyze geometric figures. We'll use coordinate geometry to classify triangles in the coordinate plane, and we're going to solve problems involving triangles in the coordinate plane. So we need to get some vocabulary into our notes before we can look at some of these examples. So first we have our slope formula, and we'll get our definition and then the formula written down. So the slope formula is the ratio of the rise to the run, and you'll probably recognize from algebra the formula itself. It is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Supposed to be a 2 right there. Okay. A diagram for that, if you just can picture, a coordinate plane, you've got, let's say, a segment in a coordinate plane, and the two endpoints of that coordinate plane, I'll zoom in a little, will be, let's say this is x1, y1, down here is x2, y2. You plug those into the slope formula and you will find the ratio of the rise to the run right there. Kind of talking about how steep is a line. You can think about it that way a little bit. All right, an equilateral triangle. So an equilateral triangle is a triangle that has all three sides congruent. So if you can picture a triangle where this side, and this side all have the same length, they're all congruent, that is an equilateral triangle. An isosceles triangle is a triangle that has two congruent sides. So two congruent sides might look something like this, where this side is congruent to this side and that third side has a different measurement. A scaling triangle is a triangle that has no congruent sides. So all three sides will be different lengths. Might look something like this, where this side is different from all the sides. So each side is different, nothing is congruent. A right triangle is going to talk about the angles within a triangle. This triangle has one right angle in it. And just a reminder, a right angle is your 90-degree angle. So if I were to draw a right triangle, it could look something like that. And then we will often have a right triangle. We'll know it's a right triangle because we put that little symbol in the corner. So that angle is 90 degrees in this triangle. So we call it a right triangle.